Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Yelp data for NLP experiments, detailed guide step by step clearly. To download Yelp data for NLP experiments, start by visiting the official Yelp Dataset Challenge website. Look for the Data section on the home page. You will find different datasets available for public use. Choose the dataset that suits your needs, such as reviews or businesses. Click on the relevant dataset link to proceed. You will be redirected to a page with further information about the dataset. Make sure to read any usage guidelines provided there. Scroll down to find the download link for the dataset. Click on the download link to start downloading the data file. The data will usually be in JSON or CSV format. Once the download is complete, locate the file in your Downloads folder. Extract the contents if the data is in a compressed format like zip. Now, open the dataset file using a text editor or a data analysis tool like Python or R. Familiarize yourself with the structure of the dataset. Identify the specific fields you want to work with, such as review text, star ratings, or, if necessary, filter the data to focus on relevant subsets. For more efficient analysis, convert the dataset into a format suitable for NLP tasks, like a data frame in Python. Now you are ready to perform your NLP experiments using the Yelp data. Make sure to follow any ethical considerations in terms of service laid out by Yelp. Keep notes on your process for future reference or replication of results. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.